Hey guys, today I'm going to show you a cool way to use delays. When you add a delay, most of the time it's being masked by the dry signal. There are a couple of plugins that I use sometimes that have a ducking section. Let's check it out.
Call you on your phone late at night, girl. You've been all alone all night, girl.
For this exercise, I'm going to use BX Delay 2500. I would like to add a bit of distortion. I will set it to 8-bit and set my low pass to around 8K. Make sure I activate ducking. And finally, I'm going to set my time to 283. And we're ready to listen to it.
Call you on your phone late at night, girl. You've been all alone all night, girl. You know.
The other way to do this is using PSP Echo. I'm gonna synchronize it and push my tape speed to max. Will increase my feedback and we're ready to listen to it.
Call you on your phone late at night, girl. You've been all alone